I do not know about you, but I have a hard time finding the version that I want for updating my demo system at IBM's Fix Central site. So Paulo showed me something once that is actually very useful. If I type here QRadar, for example, is 742 the version that I want to get, it will show me not just entering Fix Central, but the release note, which is actually something very useful. And once I click here, I can read all the prerequisites, make sure that I have everything I need, and even shows me the steps in case that I forgot about it, you know, all these mounts and all that stuff. And when I click here, it's going to take me to the actual version of the software that I need in Fix Central. And when I do the search here on these fields, I get lost. So doing it from Google, I think it is a better option. And if you want to see, for example, let's say that you are in QRadar 7.3.3, for example. Well, you know what are the fix packs that are existing there. It will actually tell you that. There is a site that IBM keeps with all the versions of these. So let me actually see if I can use PhotoStreak to get there. If I think it's called Master Software. Yeah, this is the one. So if I go to that site, provided that this site is being updated, you'll find the different versions of the software in here. Again, short tips that can perhaps will save you. Maybe you know how to do this better, but when I'm really wanted to do my updates on my QRadar system, I have to spend extra minutes looking for the software. I hope that this helps with that.